And here we have a beautiful BMW X5 30D M Sport in Black Sapphire metallic with only 11,000 miles on a 72 registration. This is a cracking SUV. Because it's a new model, it's up to date, it's modern, and this particular one has a full M Performance body kit on it, which really does enhance an already stunning looking car, because the M Sport gives us the M Sport bumpers, the side skirts. With that extra piece of body kit, you can see the difference. It looks amazing. The black grille, the mirror cap covers, this front splitter, the side skirts, front rear parking sensors, the BMW LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. This is a tremendous car. The 3-litre diesel gives it more than enough power. It returns great miles per gallon, but then it's the styling. The black exterior with the Silvertone interior really does help as well. I'll show you in a few more seconds. You've then got the 22-inch bicolor M Sport wheels, front and rear, with the staggered tyres. You've then got the air vents on the side, finished in black, all the M badging, the black window surrounds and the window reflectors as well. But as I open the door, you're going to see that beautiful interior. It really is that nice. The cross-stitching, perforated seats with the beading, electric seats, heated seats, touchscreen media system, Apple CarPlay, ambient lighting, and you've also got the piano black interior inlays. You've also got on this car air suspension, multifunction steering wheel, full digital professional dashboard, and then as for the rear seats, you can see you've got lots of space, M seat belts, another optional extra. But this really is a fabulous car. Extra space for everyone. Lots of cubbyhole space in there as well. Round the back, the body kit continues with the top spoiler, the rear diffuser, which you can see is really aggressive and very stylish. The exhaust fascia's finished in black as well. LED style rear lighting system on the back, and you've got the reversing camera. Split tailgate, big boot, and the seats go down 40-40-20. You've also got a bit more cubbyhole space underneath just there. But I mean, what more would you really want? This is an up-to-date vehicle, under manufacturer's warranty, only 11,000 miles, diesel, that looks as good as this. This one's just arrived. The last 3 or 4 we had in the last couple of weeks literally sold instantly. And this will be the same. Memory seats for the driver, electric windows and electric folding mirrors. You've then got this beautiful steering wheel, Napa leather, nice and padded, very sporty, paddle shift. You've then got the functionals which are available that we've paid extra for, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist. You've then got cruise control as well there. Stereo controls and Bluetooth controls there. Put it into reverse and the reversing camera kicks in. The dual zone climate control. You've got the 2 keys, wireless charging pad and the twin cup holders just down below. This ticks every single box. Like I said, just arrived. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call. I'd be happy to take a part exchange. It's available on PCP and HP. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.